completion of the report of Ms. Cabezas. The community-based instruction or CPI. This strategy or institutional method that promotes the teaching and the use of academic and functional skills in the learner's natural environment. The setting as well as the task should be relevant and age appropriate to the learner. CPI is recommended to be done twice a week with classroom simulation, so learners will be taught to function independently as possible. So ang kaning CPI is, for example, kanang grade 1 student is kanang tuluan sila steps how to wash their hands or kanang kung sa process para mag-toothbrush, pamagi sa pag-toothbrush. So tuluan na sila sa teacher kay mao pa man ang kaya sa mga grade 1 student ba, diba? Para sa experience na ako. Sa atong grade 1 may student mi o kaning how to wash your hands o kanang toothbrush. Kanang sa pamagi ng anak. Sabi na sa CPI is kanang mo na siya ang kaya anak na age. Kaya so kung 1-year-old pa din, tuluan na nato upuan. Kanang dili haong sa iyahang age. Next is the cure of community-based instruction. First table is the domain and then second is the area. Domain, domestic domain or self-management, home, living, or daily living. Sa area na is eating and food preparation, grooming and dressing, hygiene, healthy, and safety. Last, assessing and taking care of others. So, sa domain, kung gipani para sa ang panimalay, isnudoan ta how to kanang magtaro og kaon, mag-prepare sa food, then mag-dress up sa ato anang kaugalingon. By grade 1 is kanang kabalo na tayong anak nga mga gagmay nga butang sa ato ang kaugalingon. Then hygiene and healthcare safety na kabalo na ta magligo sa atong kaugalingon o kanang kaning safety kabalo na ta kung atong buhaton pa is kaning makadaot pa sa ato or kaning anak so makaligay ta. Second, vocational domain, classroom, school jobs, non-paid work experience within the community, internship, paid work experience or apprenticeship. So, ang vocational domain is, when we say vocational is kana galing vocational domain. So, when we say vocational is kanang skills na kanang kaya ni mo like kanang sa TESDA, ingon ni ate kuan, ingon ni ate Barnechea. Third, recreation, leisure domain. Areas, school and extracurricular activities, activities to do alone, activities to do with family and friends, and physical fitness activities. Kani recreational is like kanang mag-camping mo, mag-outing mo, nga na siya ang recreational domain. Last is community domain. Travel, community safety, shopping, including the food and clothing. So when we say community, is kanang sa ato ang makita or sa ato ang palibot, like kanang shopping and community safety kanang ato ang systematic feedback. Give of information to learners about their performance falls into two broad categories. First is prize and other forms of confirmation or positive reinforcement for correct response. Second, error correction for incorrect responses. When giving feedback, it becomes effective when it is specific, immediate, positive, frequent, and differential by Howard et al. 2017. Then direct and frequent measurement. A measurement is direct when it objectively records the learner's performance of behavior of interest in a natural environment for the skills, while it is frequent frequent when it occurs on regular basis. So kaning direct and frequency measurement is like kanang kung makita natin sa bata ko kaning iyahabang ang imong paghatag sa iyang atas is naong bagid sa iyang or nakaya ba niya mabuhat or kaning na kaong ba sa iyang environment nga gusto like kahit matapos like dancing, ang imong paghatag sa iya is nakaong sa iyaha. Play-based learning. This is a hands-on approach where play activities were used to teach cognitive skills to learn with intellectual disabilities. So, kanang play-based learning is like giingon ni ma'am nga kanang hatagan nimo siya o kanang things nga makuha niya cognitive skills ma-practice iyang kamot, ma-exercise iyang other parts of the body na ma-hands-on niya iyahang kuan like kanang na mga disabilities nahinay o maghinay siya o practice sa iyahang mga physical and mental. Next is technology applications. Some learners are highly motivated by using technology-based tools. There are computer games and tasks that are instantly rewarding and motivating that provide instant feedback about their response. So, when we say technology is like kanang kung sa pag like parehas karon is ang mga kabataan is like more on to gadget, technology is na jud dito maka-learn na sila through technology lang. Wala na kanang like bisan dili sila ma-hands-on sa parents or sa yaya nga magtulo sa iya on time. Then hatagan na siya gadget sa YouTube ba or like other kanang social media platform nga makatuon ang bata is makatuon na yun siya through technology. Marito, thank you so much.